How to reduce your potbelly with exercise. If you stand up and look straight down and can't see your toes, then you definitely have a potbelly. A potbelly, known as abdominal obesity or central obesity in medical terms, occurs when excessive fat accumulates around the stomach and abdomen. Here are some exercises and yoga poses that help reduce a potbelly. 1. Weight training. Weightlifting, also known as strength or resistance exercises, helps a lot in reducing a potbelly. This type of exercise focuses on the use of resistance to induce muscular contractions. 2. Chair yoga pose. Chair pose, also known as Utkatasana, is another very effective exercise to deal with a potbelly. This yoga pose helps strengthen and tone the abdominal muscles. It also works the muscles in your arms and legs, and keeps them toned and in proper shape. 3. Mountain climbers. This simple exercise helps you lose weight effectively, especially the fat around your stomach. In fact, it is a full-body workout and provides complete abdominal and cardio training when done quickly. 4. Standing forward bend yoga pose. Also known as Padahustasana, this yoga pose is also effective for reducing abdominal fat. During this pose, complete compression of the abdomen occurs, which helps get rid of stubborn belly fat. It is also good for your muscle health. 5. Crunches. Crunches are also one of the best-known exercises for burning stomach fat very easily and quickly. 6. Bicycle exercise. The bicycle exercise is a highly effective form of exercise to help reduce stubborn belly fat. It not only burns your stomach fat but also tightens your tummy muscles. Dietary and lifestyle tips. Along with exercise, certain dietary and lifestyle changes can help you reach your goal. Gain control over the portions of food you eat to help reduce your total calorie intake. Always eat from a plate instead of out the box, and use smaller plates and bowls to help with portion control. Eat more foods rich in complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits and vegetables, lean proteins like fish, poultry, beans, soy and low-fat dairy products. Instead of frying your food, cook using healthy techniques like baking, broiling, roasting or steaming your food. Eat more foods that are rich in soluble fiber, as this helps decrease the accumulation of belly fat. Avoid drinks like soda, coffee, fruit juice and alcohol, as they are concentrated sources of calories.